Good evening, students. Today let us discuss about polymer additives. The polymer additives are the compounds which are added to polymer in the process of polymerization. So the main aim of these addition of these polymer additives is enhancing the performance and also properties of the polymer materials. These additives are incorporated during various stages of polymer production to achieve specific desired effects. That means we can add the polymer additive at the initial step or in the process of polymerization, and also after getting the polymer solution you can add some of the more additives in order to get the desired properties. The first type of additives are fillers. The fillers are the solid materials that are added to polymers to modify or improve their properties. There are three important phenomena by which the fillers can be very much beneficial for the polymer processing technology are. The first one is they can reinforce the material, the polymer properties by enhancing their strength and stiffness and also the resistance of that particular polymer. And also it will give a reduced cost. That means the fillers can be less expensive than the polymer matrix. So the overall cost of that particular polymer will be reduced on addition of these fillers. And also fillers can also attribute some dimensional stability to the polymer matrix. Examples of fillers are talc. Talc is widely used in automotive and also consumer goods. And also carbon black. Carbon black is mainly used in rubber products such as automobile tires. And the third example for the fillers is mica, which is used in electrical insulation materials. The second important polymer additives are plasticizers. Plasticizers are also well known as softeners in the polymer processing technology. These are the additives which can improve the flexibility and also workability of the polymer. They will enhance the flexibility. That means the polymer can be more molded to the desired structure or desired shape easily, and it will also give some ease to the processing. So in the manufacturing processing, the plasticizers lower the TZ values, so making them more easier to process. And durability, by reducing the stiffness and brittleness, the plasticizer enhance the durability of, or we can say the lifespan of that particular polymer. For example, polyvinyl chloride, where the plasticizers are essential for the maintaining the flexibility and also resilience. Coming to the examples of plasticizers, there are mainly three kinds: phthalate plasticizers and adipate plasticizers and also phosphate plasticizers. In phthalate plasticizers, we are mainly having DOP, dioctyl phthalate, and also diethyl hexyl phthalate, which is known as DEHP, which are commonly used in the PVC applications. So to manufacturing the cables and hoses and also medical tubing. And the second one are adipate plasticizers. Example is dioctyl adipate, which is used in food packaging mainly. And phosphate plasticizers, that is TBP, tributyl phosphate, which is useful in the flame retardant materials of PVC. Next important polymer additives are nucleating agents. These are mainly the substances which are added to polymers to promote the formation of small crystalline regions within the polymer matrix. So if you have any amorphous or semi-crystalline polymer, if you add these nucleating agents, what we can observe is these nucleating agent or these substances can go to the regions which are in the polymer matrix in order to make it more crystalline. So nucleating agents encourages the formation of crystalline structure in the polymerization, and also it can lead to improve the mechanical properties such as stiffness and also dimensional stability. And nucleating agents can also reduce the shrinkage of the polymer because it will promote the crystallization during the cooling, so that it can help the reduce the shrinkage of the polymer during the solidification. And also it will facilitate the faster cooling, allowing the shorter cycle times in the manufacturing processes. The examples for the nucleating agents are again talc, which is used as a nucleating agent in particularly in PP, that is polypropylene and also polyethylene polymers. And also sodium benzoate is mainly useful to improve the clarity of the PET bottles, that is polyethylene terephthalate bottles. And another important polymer additives we have to see is the cross-linking agents. The cross-linking agents are the compounds which can form some sort of covalent bonds between the polymeric chains, creating that will incorporate a very good and very rigid three-dimensional network structure for the polymer matrix, which can process or impart the unique properties and benefits the polymer. So by adding these cross-linking agents, there will be a significant increase or enhanced strength and toughness in the polymer, which is very suitable for applications in automobile parts and also medical devices. And also it will improve the chemical resistance because the cross-linking polymers are more resistant to chemicals, making them ideal for the exposure to corrosive substances, which is a concern for the polymer industry. And it will also enhance the thermal stability of the polymer because of these cross-linking bonds, the polymer has very high melting points. So without having any deformation or degradation, they can withstand for up to very high temperatures. Examples for cross-linking agents are peroxides. The organic peroxides like dicumyl peroxide, which is a very common cross-linking agent useful in the rubber industry, silicone rubber industry. And also radiation can also form some type of cross-linkages between the polymeric chains, which can act as the cross-linking agent. Thank you for your active participation and active listening. In the next class, we will see the other polymer additives which are useful in the polymer processing technology. Thank you.